The Midland County Commissioners Court voted to terminate the contract between the county and Horseshoe Hospitality earlier today. Judge Terry Johnson has been advocating for change at the Horseshoe since running for his position on the court. The motion today did spark some controversy, as it's unclear if commissioners are even allowed to terminate the contract in the way they did. The Midland County Commissioners Court voted 3-2 to terminate the contract between the county and Horseshoe Hospitality. The court will finish paying what's left in the $140,000 management fee that's owed until September 30th.
I'm convinced we can do better by looking for someone that the court can hire to work under the auspice of the court. It doesn't have to be a contractor. It could be a county employee, and that person can manage the facility and manage it well. And there's plenty of people out there ready to be considered for this job.
Commissioner Scott Ramsey voted against the motion, as he says it's not allowed.
I don't believe that it's allowed. Even if we vote to do this by the term of the contract, this is not allowed. The only out is to defund it. That's it. It says in that paragraph.
It's unclear what this means for the employees that worked under Horseshoe Hospitality. You'll remember back in April, the commission looked into terminating the contract early after a citizens review committee made recommendations to the court, but the court determined they couldn't at that time. Though Judge Terry Johnson didn't say what changed between that meeting and today's meeting, the motion to terminate the contract follows through with that recommendation 4 months before the contract is officially up. Executive Director of the Horseshoe, Joe Kelly, asked Judge Johnson what the reason was for termination. Johnson responded, quote, "I don't need one."
You want to cancel the contract without cause?
I want to cancel the contract, yes, sir.
With no cause?
I'm not offering one at this time, no.
Concerns were raised about the plans moving forward.
Who's going to run the concerts in the summer? Who's going to run the special events going on? Who's going to run the quinceañeras on Saturday night? Who's going to do this?
Johnson says they will do what the public wants, as these changes are long overdue. Johnson says he is looking forward to making the Horseshoe a more affordable and user-friendly facility.